Morning, everyone. Maurice Harrison here again, A1 Roofing, King of Roof, out of Maryland. Just want to show you what we're up to here this morning. We're doing a series of different roof repairs in our market today. Our first stop is here in a place called Gaithersburg, Maryland. We're doing a small roof repair where homeowner had had a pretty large tree limb fall through the roof, or pierce the roof. So we're taking the shingles off of there, along with the underlayments, and replacing a small piece of wood. And then right now we're in Rockville doing this repair. But yeah, let's show you what we're up to here right now here. Yeah, as you can see, our guys removing the shingles here. It's a pretty large hole here. Let's see if I can zero in on that for you. Actually, go over here. Pretty warm weather out here today. But yeah, this is a pretty large hole here. So yeah, we'll be taking the underlayments off and cutting out the wood, splashing a new piece of wood in there, and then putting new underlayments on, new shingles on, and homeowner will be nice and dry there again.